Today I have a great video for you, how to make a homemade gift basket for the mother in your life. This basket is super easy. I have tons of videos and tutorials on how to make these homemade items for this beautiful gift basket that I'll be giving this weekend, which includes my farmhouse apron and my eye serum and my body wash, my roller bottle recipe, along with the beautiful anti-aging toner. All of the ingredients are natural. It's very simple. You can gather the supplies in one day and finish it by the end of the day, and it'll be ready to go to give to your mother or even anybody special. This could be a birthday gift or whatnot for anyone who wants some good homemade products to put on their body. It makes a wonderful birthday gift too as well. So I'm going to turn this camera around, show you all the things that we are putting in here. I'll also link a lot of in-depth tutorials below. Make sure you check out the blog post that is attached to this video for details and recipes for all of this. And then there's also some printables for this Happy Mother's Day card and the labels. So make sure you check that out. All the links will be below. All right, so to make this Mother's Day gift a little extra special, I actually printed out these Happy Mother's Day tags. They are over on my blog, which is www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net. You can download them for free, and I basically cut the tags out, and with a hole puncher, I put a hole in it off to the side and tied my homemade apron that I made, my farmhouse apron. This is a great work apron. It has 2 pockets in the front, so you are able to put just about anything in them. I do have a free pattern for this as well over on the blog, and this would make a great Mother's Day gift for a gardener or a chef of any sorts. Mothers would love this homemade apron made from your hands. The tutorials over on my blog along with that free pattern. So make sure you head over there and check that out. The sewing tutorials under my sewing tab, and the tag will be attached to this post. So go head over there and check that out. So as you can see, I'm trying to do this as fancy as possible, and then I'm going to wrap it with the twine. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add this in a really cute basket, and then I'm going to show you my DIY beauty products that I'm going to add to this basket. So I'm basically at the bottom of the basket filling it with tissue paper. You can fill it with any type of filler just to kind of give it height and whatnot and make it a little nice. So I'm putting the DIY apron in there along with some of my homemade beauty products. All of the recipes you can find over on my blog, and I love all of them. They're made with essential oils such as lavender and geranium. So I have my anti-aging tonic. I have my vanilla and lavender body wash, which is wonderful. In this cute little bag, I put my roller bottle, my Sleep Tight roller bottle recipe in there, along with my eye serum that I absolutely adore with cedarwood essential oil. And I've also included my hand sanitizer. I have an orange one and a lavender one, perfect for Mother's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're inspired to make some beautiful homemade gifts for that woman in your life that's very special this season. If you have any questions on any of these products that we made today, let me know in the comments below. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any videos from me. And guys, I do tons of videos on creating a homemade natural lifestyle for not only yourself, but also for the ones that you love in your home. So make sure you subscribe and follow me along, because I'd love for you to join me in this journey as we create a more healthier lifestyle for not only ourselves, but for the ones we love. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for stopping by the farmhouse.